he will learn sense. TNT and same way in a coffee buy. In some coffee buy in an say. Bryan Acheampong. Ete say you about Bawumia. By Eastern region. Aba be any tour and any campaign. Yes, Bryan Tinifie say, they are going to do fanfu for Yewura Bawumia. Eti he don't care. Ye kujira mo ye ya na Eastern region. MPs no 15 abegina ho aye press conference straightforward say yeah dear we are for Dr. Bawumia. Bra ade achi ya Bryan Acheampong say MPs 15 no omo ye nipa 15. I always tell you say some of these people almost they want to come and lead this party no politically they are even unwise. They are unwise. I salute you. They are unwise. Nana ya memwakwa pa. Unwise. How can you say a former MPO say actual MPO or one vote? How can you say that stupid statement? Are you fool? Because every constituency MP now over others say former MP and now say actual MP no. Can you say constituency no? He is the commander of that constituency in his party side. It is on no MP no babonten say or support to candidate tibia fatu timusa anya hwe no 70% of the delegates or more no they are all going with him because na aboa won ono no enam no so ma omo nso omo nya ginabere bi e wa brabom. But because of unwise and uncivilized politicians binom omo nya opportunity omo nya sika omo dwene say everything is about money no they don't think about this. Enti Bryan Acheampong abedidi omo atem say what is say out of 20,000 delegates omo Eastern region no emu 15B said they are not supporting him. No more sign craft friend phone so say na ye fanfu. Mr. Mafuti or see there be antenna. Bryan, you are making mistake. Papa say he spoke to Bryan Acheampong. Abra Trinity say he wants to contest. Okay, say Papa there be you are doing a wrong thing because we are not going to support you. We have Dr. Bawumia and we are going with him. Bryan Acheampong so Antiasio Uska. He can what? Sponsor people to vote for him. Bra, the Akosere say Bryan. Ne camp ho asay MPs mienu pe ene dinachi out of 23 15 year Dr. Bawumia dia aka 8 no mu no mienu pe wo dia 8 no mu no enipa mienu pe na di Bryan achi enti Bryan kwa now by now I want to walk you through how everything started. We are na mabo the leader of the 15 MPs now almost your more through support. Ejama Dr. Bawumia, my bonny numan samachro. Now what ye and some way you go abonting, which will tell you say Bryan Acheampong is an arrogant person who doesn't respect nobody. Say and ansem no shas here. Nsem no say ne shas here. On the 24th of September, and at the MPs in the Eastern region, omoka same way. Edit two more. Maybe I like a video and I share, comment, and I can comment so now. Who subscribe and I subscribe. Or do sa as ya domano so. Mama come for me and Kama Kofi Evans. On the first person or subscribe to this channel. Say a member. Members now. Bosumi bia or support to channel way with some money. He is one of the first people. Odi kind. Yes, I no. And I'm a soon to know. Mimia and Kama Kofi. Bosumi bia or support to me with some amount of money. Once no, ube to me ayesa. No ane say ube ko subscription button no chen ho. Don't say yakire join the community. Okreke soa ebe pushua na why your unnecessary necessary registration ni nyina. Uye ni nyina wi a bosumi bia no. Once no betumi contribute to kakra e de aboa Wras Media yedwuma ya ye na me yedwuma no akujira na nan so saa so na me de aseda kese nso ma Richard Kwara ono so enra e na o join saa community way. Kwame Acheampong so I joined it like a month ago, and I said Apia Kubin so I joined it for almost 6 months ago. Me and Evans there is about 10 months ago, and I also subscribed here for the first time. And also I will hear me. So person support to Ras Media, your platform where you can do it and you can become part of the family. Now let's go back to what we are talking about. 25 September. And at the MPs in Eastern region, or the same way, Ebetuja, Yenko, Ninkoti, Messisia.
Members firm in their resolve to support his candidate. Yeah, can say, MPs are Eastern region. Yeah, 23. Out of 23, they move 15 MPs. And a tie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, the entire time the Chini said, you only say, only Obia MPP, yet me at home, Amagana for all these years. Obey second to the president, and I say obey vice president, obey running mate 3 times, I am vice president 2 times. It's a cow one in a brain man. Be anyone, you can't say I'm on your son, will be over to me a debate in Apple Power. Now, what to me a poor mania, who be anyone on no essay. The damn saying, year 15, your war MPBR, sorry, your war Eastern region, year 23, you move 15, then now you can have one set. Yeah, tied Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, now, what to Frank, what did you mean, Ediama MPP 2028? And I'm saying, yes, let's say, yeah, what's your yeah, what have you, if you said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and I MPP, this year, you didn't go abattoir, you bet me a winning abattoir, the president, Yadamasi, Yamishamu.
Yes, enti we and a yansama the MPs in Eastern region at the Beto Abontain, which means they are body. Papa no ojina hono, ono na friend Mr. Mafono, ono na the leader of these 15 MPs. Now, let's move on. What happened? MPP for delegates, they declare we, you know, and see how. Ena omwan kasa so omwan omujina yiwura mafunachi said they are behind him, they are with him no so no omoso ba bonten ebe kan semo yenti na emna sisia
time no day nti after so how you bet me up obi anya no Ghana fane na no ya ton nti ko biem na wo san kwa brewani biem se ne dia bani adana de na anya yi afi mu fa en kwa dwindwin sana o mampani je kufu abreso yeye sana na nado dankwa kufu ado abreso yeye saso ne disi e boa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na me ya adomo 2028 e be yi ama
de hu ye de ko 2024 bibi an sesan ente no ana me gusu me lensi me sesan today me hu 2024 ene de MPP ni bia hu 2024 ene de ene wo so pe bibia wo hu ni 2024 wo kodi Bawumia chi e ho ana bibi an sesan
o sha Dr. Bawumia na ho keka I dey call the last election and the results are by no I try say I signed the kobi ma e betimi adi nkunim easily kra manunti na yen aye wo ekwe man time ha yen 15 na yaka yen ho abom say ye dey ahoden betai Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi e did say yes am so aye colleagues na aka no in the other regions and so by yes na party for ni na so any aye adwen ama yen nyina yakoto aba 31st January ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yes, enti utia the Eastern region MPs no nsem say no mo de ba bonten ma me o kind Florence mo akwaba e wo TikTok nsem say no mo de ba bonten de beto dwa say e wo so mo free Eastern region there e wo se sabio Bryan Acheampong e ye o mo kuro mu nipa but they are not with him because the one who Dr. Bawumia mo no and the outcome of the results now Dr. Bawumia de ba bonten no they believe we say in 2028 you know winning this general election will be something very easy for MPP if we introduce Dr. Bawumia. And your message, now you're very, very simple, more conscious and more intellectual. Bra, the see you say, Papa na ye friend Bryan Acheampong te message you one funny ye kura. He felt betrayed. He felt say amam for day amam for ama. So he came out and oshase ekeka nsema ensem fata edi kire sampan forway. Now I want you to listen to asema Bryan Acheampong kai na fa kwa adwendwenem dwene ho po adwendwenem na bi so ho say can this man be a leader of groups, a group made over 6, 7, 8 million people? What do you say? You want to be a leader? You said that you want to be a leader. You said you want to be a leader. And conform more constituency, almost more political men like you. Almost they don't support you. Why do they have to? Why can't they choose somebody different from you? Enti wedja. Oba bontina, waba to be the amani or more. Tie.
20,000 delegates and the 12 hours is the region. 20,000 delegates. And then I'm going to say 15. And then I'm going to now. But also 15 anyway. Say, I'm Chelsea and so I'm here. I'm also supposed to move from. We went down in the top and 15. 1-5. So I'm also supposed to move from. I have to have here. I'm going to get the conference. Now, I want to say, I'm going to say, I'm going to
Me asa watini yo. Wo be also a big politician. Awa ben ewa manyo semu. Me ma me no leader nya akome mo akwaba. O se wa ben ewa manyo semu. Oti ho. Ama sabio ampis a mo control constituencies. Aba bontia be kan chiro openly say they are not for you. Oda su jina can say omo just 15 people 1-5. And first ada se Bryan Acheampong anti politics ase ana no an kasa nim se ni sika na wahye no for no reason entini order da ne ho na o give moral o give moral to his people because entisadia now I think said the man is actually confused because many times me take say the fact is any padodo politicians now our more party no more ye as a priest catch Rajaman where's the part there be a mechanic has said Encrofona omo Mia Johnson that is saying Encrofona omo the frontliners of the party FNM people omo ye big men or more party no so munyina atu edi leader bi ana aspirant bi achia e wo se bibi nto team say oye dan as aspirant no one ne behwene e say the constituents and the delegates they are all working for the MP the majority mean kese omunyina efie bia kwakuma no wom enti ebetumi ya possible say there are some delegates omoni MP ni nya adwene but I can tell you say about 70% of of all the delegates in every constituency they are in line with the MP for that area but you tell me pa enti say also MPP animadi now still you cannot understand the meaning of being an MP. That's a who underestimate the power of an MP in a constituency. I mean the power of an MP on delegates in your constituency. Now I think say you need to go back to school and learn some sense before you come out. Say you want to lead a party called MPP. And the Bryan Bex now how can answer me to me it is a bogus statement. Emfatano enseno enye nyansakasa no beka ye no asem no beka ye no he was in one way or the other also what underestimating yan can say the MPs esanso ebe show more bufu more say even if they wanted to go and vote for their own without not even campaigning much for Dr. Bawumia Kurana and let the Bryan waye it will convince them to go out there and work fully against you. Me say, Bryan Acheampong camp, any Bryan Acheampong camp, yamutu to the sense to say, they don't have the character of a leader, emotional intelligence, patient, humility, interacting, listening to people to understand what actually they mean. They don't have that. Omodiani said, I have the money. I can buy you whatever you want. So, in one way or the other, because I have the money, you cannot decide differently from me. And that is what is going to put these guys in deep of the sea. They will sink. Now, they will come out here to cry, say they have lost a lot of money. They will come out because how they are conducting themselves, they are even losing respect from many people because of the way they are conducting their what they call campaign. Now, Bryan Bejina Hobaye and Juan Kesesem no. And then Mr. Mafujia ya say ne Bryan bra. Na menchire unyansa kakra say usikano it can never and ever by the dignity of an honorable MP, member of parliament. How you conscious no? He's not thinking about you. He's not thinking about your personal interest. He is there to do something that will benefit his constituents. Into Papala Babontin, Nansamna, Mr. Manford Begu Abontin, the Mudrupa. Bryan Acheampong, you could declare Mponote ya nani koko apai. Na nsema papa baba kan sesi ama menu nyina yati. Aten say this man otia energy so shutu ne ho. Odi yenko nkoko tie nsema Mr. Mafo e de to abontene. Yentie mra sesi a.
From Eastern region. Na yenhwe dwumadi amokodi wo Eastern region. Mrashimu Jafo was saying Eastern region because when you say Mrashimu Jafo Eastern region, Mitia Fachami 23, and yet he say out of 23, Mrashimu Jafo 15 declare support for Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Sa pepe and etiana because ebi say videos about pictures about for ojina ho no kromu nurudu na obi aka say mrase ojafo no na omo ye 15
yo when mrase bedwafo a declare ama yewra Bawumia ewo Eastern region ye 15
but video ni na wo no almost you count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 njomo hu 15 no
yeah ejina ho ne ye 10
okay
maybe I can kan nche da nye yi
okay
we ye maths school
oh
yeah
literature
literature crowd in kan
say critics na ka say amo mujina ho 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
10
okay
10 ena ne yo
but do what say na declare
ma me no de nya akome mo akwa papa momentie nti momentie the analysis ne nsama papa yi oba beka e de akire Bryan Acheampong ene ne nkrofo
for Dr. Alajima
15 na de wo munye 15 no emu mienu yewura akwasi akwa ona bokwasi akwa oni e odamra hyebedwani mi ame wo faase no yewura Alexander Ejare kedemra hyebedwani omu mienu no omu ni Ghana ha
okay
parliamentary duties edi omu etukwan nti omu ni ha nemom meeting a ye conference call 15 ni nyina participate and the coordinator no a wo Eastern region ma yewura Bawumia no eno so eba meeting ni bi nti 16 people and ye meeting no obia gitumu say yenye press conference no na yemmo amansan amane say yenyina yeta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi enti we mienu ni film anaka 13 no yewura koko asante na ne maame ho dodo no nti no osre kwan se ontumi mma ukuada no
okay
because only oba wa ofie na ne maame ho dodo no ese ohwe ne maame enti ase ewom yewura dukoforiata ono ye fante akwa koko asante etiwa west MP ena dukoforiata enso fante akwa south MP ono so no oyare enti ne ukuada no ono so entumi anye den amba bi yewura asiedu bekwen protozoa ono ewo suhum ono so na unse one Asante the former MP ewo court over
me Prime Stephen Idan also mo akwa abusi entie video no mla sesia
seat no suhum seat no ntina ukuada na ese okọ court nti ono so ntumi ama enu ntina ese nipa 3 wo de no mo Ghana ha ba bibi nti omo ntumi amba bi omo na omo enka ho omo na amba bi but apart from omo 3 na omo wo hanso bibi nti omo ntumi ama no omo aka nyina no omo ho
okay
the nti ni nya enipa 10 ana yede wo ye press conference na press conference ya asema ye kan ye ani yes say so hwe nipa num no a pre to me no a se ye ka obi a owo amemmo mu hwehu yewura Bawumia ye ka obi a watumi asua amemmo no so no di ye adwuma nso a yewura Bawumia ye ka obi a oye popular anase amanfo dodo no enim no as ye ton no a ni ton no enye din Dr. Bawumia ye ka obi nso a sebe ye ya dwimu no na dwimu abo bipa ewa memmo enhihye ho a Dr. Bawumia ye ka obi a sebe ono nso o wa ho brase o penipa sem oke nipa ba ne ho na wo pray enipa mpuntuo nso a Dr. Bawumia enti se wo kasa nema we nyina bomu a na ni nyina no ekokosi Dr. Bawumia so dia ene na yenso ye de ye ho eka Dr. Bawumia campaign ho ni aka kire delegate wo Eastern region nyina se omoma yen koso na yen support Dr. Bawumia because ono na owo de ebema yetumi awini power 2028 yasema yekan ya no mekan no brofo na me wie no mekan ne twi yasema yekan ya no.
Right. So, Masuja for 8 aka Eastern region no. What do you do for one more here?
Oh, bia ne nam baby. Mienu pe na wo Bryan ho.
Out of 23.
Me se mienu pe, me na me ka kire o mienu pe.
Tell you, your own region. I'm peace mienu pe ne di wachi. Ask yourself why.
Se me bo a wo mo a wo ho no mo meka mienu pe. Yewura a friend is saying Kwame Abuaje. Obi a friend Uluwa or asene man so across.
Uluwa minimum Uluwa.
Yes. Any on one Eddie Camp. Ye OPK. Opoku ansan or ye
I didn't hear all kasa with authority say.
Na me kasa authority so a. Hwan we hu no se one nenenam. Hwan no apart from Abuaje. Any OPK nso kra no eya pa na okwabruchi na okoye ne 1212 enti no mienu pe na wo
pe na wo bread
mienu pe no kra no wo so pe mienu pe odu kra no wo de nam say wo nkofo di wachi
right
I had to say the me ka say Dr. Bawumia be wini wo abetifi sa no no okoye ejuma we are a serious business to anya agro ni edi
na dey
107
Dr. Bryan Acheampong
on nimbre
onye serious
no on nimbre because enibra anyesa onibra anyesa na o cancer look few o contest flag bearership against vice president uja no ato. Now we move from constituency to constituency. Omo declare the opponent, you are attacking them one by one. Who come constituency, no I cancel. No more so they responded to so now can now I give and take. And to be our president, after they winning MPs, ena edia no babae nti wo bedia no babae be wie no na wo opponent no o twan no jan ho a
njam so di agro
ordinance na wani abra wo be we because tio me wa come constituency na ka wo ma boaje so wa se wo kura de kakra bi na motwa nsem akese o kan sika wo de be ma o ne ade enti anigye ne de be banda se
o so betue sika
aba o so be mo musika o mo de shu you see omo entu ne fu yi
Bryan Acheampong
ya omo tu ne fu nso a ontie futuo na munsom eni nipa omo tu ne fu a ontie na nyasa ye be wie no wan hwa na wanya shock we say ofre Dr. Bawumia ka kire ne say fear delegate de omo ne wo ye wa chiase no eno wo na ese e ka kire say you have to fear the delegates in a chiase because yodom no mo ye wo omo wi omo bo ato atwene baby I am anase aba ne ye beto brohin
omo to Bryan Acheampong to baby
oh me say ye beto aba no ye to aba ni wi a and obehu level etie na ye say
ba so mo ntoma no
kopɛ epo osia
mojaba ona bo say omo ntoma no a ye boje ne so no moje so no na efiri he
no kura mpo say nkofo na omo akogina ho openly e declare ama Bawumia openly ema obia ate ye koyin sunu
ose na mo ye 10 pe
na 10 no ye pe a nka mienu unya 15 no emu 4 kura ka wo yi no a nka press conference a wo be ye no krum ha ebi ni. We are members of parliament. Your constituents for Ato Abaman. Your primaries. Enipa 15 no emu mienu pe.
Nti wo mum na se beja for na wo yi.
Na se asem no okay. Bro yene. Se wote. Ebu a wo mini de he. Enipa 20,000. Na emu 15 pe. 15 no am ye he for.
They represent the 20,000.
God, 15 members of parliament. 33 constituencies in the eastern region, and more 15 MPs, 15 constituencies. As we mo ta Dr. Bawumia, what's it there? Who address we mo to say, we me school boys.
We address delegates and say school boys.
And yet delegates and yay MPs no. What about Sabonnet here? What was 7.5? Na say, oh yeah, sir. O colleagues crown for buoma omo na edien na ofo se obinya wo
right obi tie wachiri facha me pacho chama mafo facha me obi tie wachiri do be kan se enka de power fia eye
efie be mu a Bryan efie be mu a kan fie kro no kire mu community
ya so
Bryan twi Bryan twi na moka nti de meka no wo kan meti ase twi na wo kan nti efie be mu ne na adepa no wo no
obi ka say oh na so be free eastern region no so be prima mpanyin dibre wo mamu a enka ye wo eastern region ayem rashe udwafo a ye represent constituency no yen support no na ye so ye mantam mpagya edenti a aye din se ye be support no
efi se ye wo bi o hodida ena adwuma we a ye di no enye ebusuasem enye namfosem Bryan Acheampong oye madamfo oye minu akuma menino we go way back ye dim kombo hwe ebra oye na dwen so pese obegina na ye nto abama no obegina se opese obeye presidential candidate no ofre na mfofo aye ne nam no ye nyina ye kokuhia ode to ye nim se opese ogina me de me catch ni pi wonanim me catch ni pi se me de se Dr. Bawumia else was sanko biodia me ntumi support o and also wo kobio ntin me de me support the out ntin fam support ma me de me support ama Dr. Bawumia ntin me de me support the wunya jai the woye no I told him, me say, I saw what I'm making. Then call for on your monam ni nyina no. Omu nyina no nyina te hobi. Anya say me ni edupe. Ye group of friends. Emudodo na no edi na chi sisi e no. Na omu nyina te hobi. I told him say, the idea wo ye no na emwa. O discuss mu a, o to scan agukwa. Nti jai. Yes, or say this onjai. Me say, nyese obi na kachre no e na mete. Me na me kachre o no. I told him in his face, nyese bia telephone so e wo no anim kachre ne say, me de me support o. Madam Fonu, minu akuma no, minu na e bibia. Politics ya ye kui wa boa mi wom. Me ka say o moa mi wo sika famu a na me boa na me nka no kore wa boa me ye namu a ye koba yi se ahokyere ba ye so a o boa yen ya ye ne titi ye ne o titi nyina na me se ivo o mani mo mo de titi o obia wa boa obia ni ho a wo boa
but o say ni sika
na adwuma we no enye wo dia enko
what me hwe nanim ka asase mo kire
me say kofo na omu di na chi se si yi no omu ye former MPs and the sitting MPs ye omu di na chi se si yi o ba fre obi a Sasemi amik. Enye mi ni mi pe. Omo nyina am tete obi.
So mani nko ho because one year mature to hold that position and now only abilities and capabilities to lead the party and I idea.
Bro hini. Asema ameken se me boa enye nne da hoyi. Or call me constituency fi asemi o kokeken. We ye the Kodi president. And nkofo bebre complaining about the way we see eye niema. Yet there be yet is one support to me no and yeah I'll come after you. Radi Yankopon. Yet nyina you cannot deny. Obey deny publicly. But I'm telling you, say these are the things yet entinum not just a one fish.
Right, but who say ubetimi akọ constituency bi abato mpeso abi so MP no betimi endorse obi but delegates e constituency probably bi ana enya ba bi MP na ni kire no mo hwe
possible o me Achease me to me farming sense me bo say I can get 100% for Bawumia but I can get the majority for Dr. Bawumia entido okọ constituency bia mu nso a ekwan bia so obi ohwo a oye young man na ho ofe kwenti obeto aba ama no ne di no untumi nka se on obia ento aba ama no I know they out but I can tell you say majority of the people who vote for Dr. Bawumia because in some na ye ka no yes to see as you come we are also going down wo bibidi deep dive no go to the electoral area to put the constituencies together in the electoral area and then talk to them ni omo su di nkomo na say eastern region ho no ehonye yewura Bryan ehonye ne dia wo ono no pese oje ho say ne dia na obi amfa ma no
o ka se ho nya ne dia by extension then apese o ka on free eastern region na
o free eastern region na ta o free kro bi so adan no nche kro ni ya wo dia ana o free kro bi so adan nche kro ni ya wo dia na region ni nyina no o ntumi nka say region ya wo dia say ye wo mo ton ma wa na say wo mo e de ya wo dia yi you are a political person obinso who your politics who eastern region obinso your politics on eastern region now I say region ya wodia na ya wodia say ya kam na ya de achewa na say ya ton ama
yes abusuan samwate sem no mu ede sawate yesi panyini ana akwada nipa dasani so fiti prekope eka so be pause a emoja ena efiri osimu eba abonten enti de Bryan Acheampong ye no nemfiswa de ma de oyo no ena papa ye okasa oye papa panyino wanyini ne nemfie wanimu sene Bryan Acheampong party no MPP party na da ho no wadi akire echen Bryan Acheampong enti the obeka for party no ho no he knows what he's talking about so obano catch us say oni constituency ne kasa omudi nkomo omunim de omoyo omoye deep dive akire we say they are actually working seriously for Dr. Bawumia. Enti Bryan enkopenda ben and obeti asie. Now me I know I've already say Bryan ne Canada Japan mo afasa contest way as a World Cup wa almost spending millions and millions and millions of cedis. At the end of the day, they will actually regret what they are doing. Because they will be left alone. They will be left alone because by doing what they are doing no, they are stepping on a different toes. Omu tietie nipa hodo omo nan so omo kan semfon de kire nipa dodo. Omu emma respect a ewo omo ne nipa binum ntam ewo MPP amanyoko num no. Enam saa contest we nti no. Saa respect no any relation ewo omo ne amanfo ntam no. Ni nyina saa ayi ni nyina kon kakra ni nyina ne say one support to me dia and it is so ya metamfo. So one support to me dia na it say unye miwia, so I'm not here with you. Miwia nana Kofi Adu sebe mo akwa papa. San koso no ebe taso akoso ankopem 31st January. Ebe say omoni ni padodo ntem. Omar Abdul Bashiru Diaro me mo akwa papa. Ena miwia Muba Achim Omar also mo akwaba. Sane ma we ebe say omone nipa dodo omontem. At the end of the day no, they will spend their money and they are going to lose a lot of friends. Because papa yi ka say your kan o se bra wo ye me nipa wo ye madam fo me na wona nam ye twibom but in some okogina ho a wo keka kire no yi ochina papa no omma o after this competition no so wan kopa na chewa he will not interact with you anymore. Now say, you are going to lose good friends in your journey of your political career. Anytime that you want to be helped to get a kind of a position anywhere, this man will not come and support you because of himself you're arrogant. Now, kokabi mayentia, miya Idrisu Mwakwaba. And I'm here Kofi Frank, so me chia pa mo akwaba. Kokabenti ensua. You are also what? Disrespecting your own colleagues. One kasa colleague, only omo ne ko parliament, only omo na atra parliament. Apart from say we are rich man, we are very wealthy man. Nobody can take that away. But we are saying ye wono. Enye sika na ye bibia o. Ye was some places be Brian, upon all the money that you have, you cannot succeed there. But ebiana papa yo okasei, yira Kofi ahenkramafo. Onumom ebe tumi awura sa danum, sa office num. Ama bi ade bi a ohwe won saka. Me yasa me jase mo akwaba. But so gusu na wo ye de wo ye because you feel say sabio won samede. And I'm saying your wishes should become what them call duties of others. And this is what is hunting Kennedy, Japan, and Bryan Acheampong. Because omu feel say because of some more nipa binum ewo party ni mo dada ntino. Their personal wishes no, the omo e wish mo ho. The omo person omu nya na wo mo abrabom no. E wo say emeye nipa binum omu duty. Emeye omo yen kan say dying for. Tio. Minim kwa say me can duty kura. Say the second duty wo twi kasam. But Acheampong ne kan Japan believe say so mo ampo Ghana fo binom MPP fo binom in some competitions binom that is automatically translated to say their personal wishes and their personal ambitions should be like a duty to those people omo abu omo dache omo abu omo dabi na sa na detena wi ase obo obi entina wato na nimonyam obo obi ana ne kire se waje ni na adwene da ne tima na obo obi ana ne kire se nipa no ntime nwene ma ne ho ana. That is not the way that we live in this world that we are living. The poor man has his own mind. And a rich man also a one ankasa ne own mind. The poor man ne hobbies and a rich man so one ne hobbies. Rich man no one choices and a poor man no so no a one ankasa so ne dear bay ne choices. And to choices it should not be my duty. And I mean Kofi Adu say catch me. Would ya over no? And you can say by me masedie. But that's the premier. Any kwan se be ma sede. Timothy dan kwa me makwa abapa why? Here nyina yam MPP for why? Aye. O de wo ewom so wo sika o, but wo sika na wo no. Ene nkyere se wo akoma so ade no, de wo hwehwe no. Emma me ye me ma sede se wo se de tebia me nyema wo. Where on this world? And as I same way, you go to me aka amobi atie di aye adwuma. It's like in shorten. It said the can't any pass you can't think for yourself until you cannot think to choose whom you think say he's the best man that can lead our party for the victory. And it says also that so there and can the vice president here ordinary tour forms edema all the delegates in the country. Nkobe catch them say me ma top forms amamo. Masanso amamo 30 Ghana cedi for each person. Some fanye lolly fair and komra. And the sanity that musumu nyina monto mamie. But a mature politician will never say so. Now you know, I always tell you say some people are emotionally not intelligent because there is this say the best way mankese Bawumia control amanfo. But listen to me. Yes, say the best way to control a human being, and he say you will not let him feel say you are controlling him. Tebiye pa. Kwampapa so obetumi afa so. Ahwen ahye nipa so anase walidi nipa waye kandi for the ama obi amamu akoba bi no. Ene so be mana feel say won share ne so because who say wo share ne so a he will run away from you because human beings are, we were born what them call disobedient. And the omoye nyina no said the me drusu kan. It actually shows that they are immature in politics. And they think say their word is, and he says he thinks his word is making him the best candidate, not his brain. And he said what? And I'm sikabi omoanyanti. Our money mature in politics intino. They believe we say sikabi omoanyantino. Say sikano etimi qualify omo. Say omoye the best candidate for the party, not their brain. That is what we are facing. Enti Bryan yantobo asiama ho. Yeah, back Kennedy so and now we are shifting to Kennedy. We na Bryan kwandia. Afeni akọ Kennedy so akọ kan sembunu mu America afeni ebe kajakum. And the Bryan Acheampong should keep calm and act like a mature rich man. It is only through mature attitude and obey me acquire some respect from people. Only the level of your worth. But if you want to go this way, through arrogance, through forcing people, my brother, you will spend millions of money on people. By the end of the day, the people will run away from you. Nobody wants, yes, a master. People want to interact and relate to people who value them. Temiyepa. Enipa bi apa se obenya se oni obia odibuo emano. Oni no benya yankan se interaction, oni ne benya ayonkofa. Oni ne benya yankan se intact, oni ne betumi etu anamon. But enipa me ba won chen a one underestimate me because you believe say you have the money. So with your money you can pay me. Yeah, I will do what I should do to get the money from you. But as I mean, I will do what I wish for myself. That is what Bryan is going to face in this premise. Don't let nobody lie to you. Say Bryan Acheampong can get whatever. He won't get nothing. Say you Eastern region po any area empo no mo boycott to me. Na kampeso be babu no manim. Obekọ asanteman mu anaso obekọ ga. Ga manche. Ai, you can say I'm fanto. Because we human beings, every human being don't want to be underestimated by human can. because minim say de me ye nipa no saa na wo so ye nipa enti se wo sika se den me ntumi ntrase ma mfa wo sika wanya no emfa nye den enye ho guy wo me so ana se wo mfa nka me nhye dabi especially saa bere ye me kogina ballot box no ma wo nka me ho no hey I will show you pepper because that is the time that me too I have my what them call personal decision to make. Nobody can caution me. So Bryan should learn something from this and start acting like a mature man or mature politician, because I think he's a mature man, but a mature politician. And yes, sir, say you to abani we are on so babontene ababeke kansembunuma one we are nkoye. Because the way that they are doing their things today, I think they are just preparing the way to lose much money. Yem person mo be yebe na Bryan ebe ya de bi eti say.
Babra, na boka them try where she come cook try just for information. Do
Okay.
That's unfortunate.
What do you do? What the power we are seeing here working? Again, not what
Oh no. Don't care about it.
This party.
Don't care about it.
Yes, enti say nkrophobia and homoniama year after the election, they will come out and cry this way. Say sikadie, ya shibi agupa. Sa anso na ebeko. Say the nemani sikono. This is how it will go. You can't change it. It is done there. Bawumia winner. Now what we are waiting for is about 75% for Dr. Bawumia. That will give us the strong convince to show the so-called aspirant among 30 MPP party. They say you are no man in the party. We want 75 to show to them say MPP as a party is bigger than any individual. Either you are Bawumia, either you are Kennedy Acheampong, either you are Bryan Acheampong, either you are Duchim, either you are Kufuor, either you are Nana Danko Kufuor. The party itself, is bigger and stronger than any of these strong men in the party. That is what we want. Since a party in this idea, transe now they are bon crew, chiraman for your own victim, chiraman for nothing can change because the party has an ideology, principles, and a way to go. Yenye CPP for yep community mwaka wapa. Yenye CPP for MPP no. Yenye CPP for. And yenye NDC for. Yenye bukata. We do politics with intellectuals, intellectual mindset, dignity, integrity of leadership, well-being of the society, and yet personal enrichment and as a personal wealth and into party no. So all of you are whoever you are, because you have money, your money cannot buy the principles, the ideologies behind the UP tradition. It's quite different from what you people think. And in there you are Kenzo another Kwame Nkrumah second born, Momanin Kononko CPP presidential candidate. Obia ni hokro person me CPP presidential candidate. Mame ya ntwa mame na odi ntro, chimi twa ntro more than everyone in this world no. Sa mame no. Ono kura no wadwane free CPP enti se Ken Opa wodi onko ho the presidential candidate no a open door for him where he don't need to compete with anybody. Now onko Kwame Nkrumah ideology no man nko nanim enti ha ena yede Bryan Acheampong nsem no ebesie na ye wasem foforo bi ka papa na ye fe ne Kennedy Japan na ne ho asem ena ye woka na before I go to the video in question no ye nyina be kan se papa wo ye dika ba abonten be kan kire MPP fo ne Ghana fo nyina se oh no he's not going away from the party, but the obayani say he will do whatever he can to remain in the party and make sure say obey party no be my party na so far. Other party now go through situations are any comfortable for the party. And I think say the man is doing exactly what he promised to do. Because in some papa na sha say okekano, I think say a bokro, a bo amanyo kro, ena ensanso ento asum ewo kwambi so ena ema abanyo kro no animonyam a sabio atogana fo etim no esote pa. Because in some na papa na sha say okekano, anu ehye ena it does not represent a party, a name say a democratic party, whereby the majority carries the vote and the majority decide for the party. And they say, also person made the party a Democrat, a party we base on the majority wishes. Now we say, what dear, who feel say you are being threatened, people want to kill you. People want to do this and this and this to you. I think say you are not making sense at all. And I want you to listen to this man. When he started saying, say, he was not going anywhere. But what he's going to do is to make the party suffer from his own utterances. Here we are. Then we go to America. The New York meeting.
Really? No, it's not true. See, when we need 4th November now, on free MPP
Condition. Yes, I mean free, but met you.
Wow, party.
Yeah, met you.
So what? Ono ananumuton or sister wanwenia on koba bia. Obetna party num na so ti party nima ni main duty. The main focus or the better party no say obetete party no adentia contract sembi no man koye sika bia no hwe ne nsanka yamfa djuma bi no ma no all these things which does not make sense. Say party dey nim say ukodi akira, it is not necessary for what you get personally, but it's all about how your party can create an environment suitable for your people. That is what a politician should think of. But in Kayako, say Kennedy, his personal gains from politics. Now, listen to this video that what he said here. We are near US video no so. If
all the executives, the current executives, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Bawumia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Yes, and this man meant whatever he said. And he's actually doing whatever he has promised the MPP party say, obey. Video be in free US ministers.
So tonight,
Endra. Yes, Kennedy Japan, akopiem ewo New York say. Only the MPP for more New York, kudin komo kakra. Na wa tone the message Ediama New York chapter MPP New York chapter say I Bawumia delegates we are connected with other delegates in Ghana say omonto abamano na omra medi party nanim na busia edru ba bi no papa no na utie nsem na ka se de na oni obi eko entro enkontompo bosre muka victimization. He's acting like a victim to something that does not exist. Now, I say we have men who are living in a place called America, and can normally know we expect to see men with an open-mindedness, some kind of intelligence, be due to the fact that we are well open to the Western world politics. But yesterday, I was sad enough to see, say, whilst this man was making these utterances, there were men behind Kennedy Acheampong. And there were men who have been living in the American politics for a very long time. Now, they enjoy that type of utterances and violent speech against his own party. I was very sad. But I was able to listen to the video well. Got where there are some things, or the whole video is a bullshit. He spoke for about 43 minutes. Now 43 minutes na Kennedy Acheampong kasa ye no. Everything that he spoke about were all about his words. Ni hunya wenya, ni sika wenya. How people even underestimate him because they didn't know who he was. The cold store name is steel factory. That is all about. But when he came to the point, Senka, or addressing the people concerning the party, plans and ideas, your work, say over to me, they are building the foundations of the party. I'm a party, Nababeya Kono. I'm a yet to me floating voters. Any even new members to come and join, he turned that side to be a war. And I'm saying, way. Does he have an advisor who advise him before he goes to speak to the public? Does he believe, say, a party like MPP, people who are involved in the party, Jimmy Fuana. Because ono ankasa no kasa duru baabi na wutie na wasan ama ne ho punch kese pa wa boni ono ankasa boni na nkokom na wahwe ase because okasa duru baabi a na waka asem foforo na wasen aka e ti ono ankasa ne nsem a woka kire ono. But I don't understand why the New York case, the Yankees, all right. The Yankees were there shouting and praising the man. And I was like,